Now that I'm out of here, I'm gonna do a fucking peel out right here in the middle of the street. Driving the stick shift is so fun because you get to do this shit. Speed limit says 25. 25, right? Now I'm on the real street. Come on, car. Fucking old man. Now I'm home.